Hey guys, all right, we are going to be working on some CVC words. That's consonant, vowel, consonant. All right, so let's look at this first card. All right, so here we have a picture of a cat. Now, we're going to say that in regular speech like this, cat. And then we're going to say it in turtle speech, at, cat. All right, and then we're going to tap it, at, cat. All right, now let's look at these blue dots. When I touch one of the dots, I'm going to say the sounds that I hear. K, a, t, and then slide, cat. Now I'm going to actually drag the letters over here so you can see. Ready? So that first sound we've been hearing is k. A is the middle sound, and the ending sound is t. So now let's look at it. Ready? K, a, t, cat. Now say it faster. Cat, cat. This is the word cat. Very good. Let's go to another one. This is a picture of, let's see. This is a picture of a fox. So let's say the word fox. Now let's say it in turtle speech. Fox, fox. All right. Now let's tap it. Fox, fox. So we hear some different sounds. We hear fox, fox. Let's touch the blue dots and say the sounds. And I want you to be listening because I want you to be thinking about the letters that make these sounds. Ready? Fox, fox. So now let's build it. F says f. Ah. O says ah. X. X says x. Ox. Fox. Good. All right, let's do another one. All right, this is a picture of a pig. Say it in regular speech. Pig. Now let's say it in turtle speech. Egg. Egg. All right, let's touch it. Egg. Pig. Now let's build it. Egg. Egg. Pig. Pig. Good. All right, friends. I hope that you guys are listening to the sounds that these pictures are making.